Did you know there are new secret settings in COD Mobile that could make you better? Let's start with Fast Climb. There are 3 options here: Fast, Auto, and Off. Let's start with Fast. When you run to an obstacle that you can jump to, this shows a climb button on top of your joystick, and if you drag your finger to that button while running, it will make you climb the obstacle without having to press the jump button. Here is the difference between having this on and off. As you can see, it makes you climb the obstacle faster. Next is the Auto. Unlike the Fast, this doesn't have a button that requires you to drag your finger to it. Here is the difference between Auto and Fast. Clearly, it makes you automatically climb the obstacle once you go near it. Now, the setting you should turn on is Auto. Since having Auto, you don't have to drag your finger just to climb, making you faster. Although if you want to play carefully, you can just turn on Fast instead of Auto. You can find this at the basic. Now let's proceed with ADS FOV curve. This means that the FOV changes during ADS. Here is the comparison between having this turned on and off, and it is seen that the zooming effect of the scope is delayed. Having this turned on makes your scope slower than usual, meaning that it could ruin your aim, especially when using a sniper. Some players may have accidentally turned this on, so turn this off. This would 100% fix your aim. Having this turned off makes your ADS much smoother. Next is Animation Blend, which makes the animation of sprinting, sliding, and switching weapons blend. Here is the side-by-side comparison between having this on and off. The difference is very small, although having this turned on is much more smoother than off since this blends the animation. So, I recommend that you turn this on. Next is Hitting Sound Enhancement. Having this on adds an additional hit sound when killing an enemy. Here is what it sounds normally. Now, here is what it sounds like when this is turned on. As you heard, the sound is more realistic compared to the old one. I recommend that you have this turned on if you like the sound effect of it. Next is the Teammate HUD settings. You can find this by scrolling down. In this, you'll find Health Bar mode. Turn this on, and you'll see the health bar scale at the bottom. You should make it to 50 because having this high could distract you, as well as making the health bar opacity to 50 to hide the health bar of your teammates. Here is the difference between high and low. As you can see, this makes it more unnoticeable by making it low. And also turn on a prospective teammate to see your teammates through the walls. And if you're always playing solo, you could make the ID display mode to mark if you don't want to know their names, but if you do, keep it at ID. Next is how you can see opponents much easier. First, you have to go to graphic quality and set it to medium. You can see this in audio and graphic, and then scroll down and you'll see customize color in VR mode graphic style. Don't worry, this works for multiplayer. Click customize color, click OK. And then, on the right, make your saturation 60 and make the brightness 70. While your tint to 5, and make your hue to 0, and click the cyan. After that, click save. Then quit the game, and then go to settings again, and you'll see synchronize custom settings to MP, click turn on. Here is the difference between having this turn on and off. As you can see, it is much better to turn this on because it makes you see your enemies much easier, helping you get more kills. And if you don't like the looks of it, you can just create another one and adjust it by going back to audio and graphics and customizing color in the settings. There are also many sniper skills that pro players hides from you. Click this video. Thanks.